Introducing the stunning 2026 Ford Kuga ST Line X Edition 2 5D2 in blue. Packed with features like ambient lighting, satellite navigation, and collision avoidance braking. This MPV is the epitome of style and safety. With a powerful 2.5-litre engine, petrol, plug-in hybrid electric fuel type, and automatic transmission, this vehicle offers both performance and efficiency. Plus, enjoy luxurious touches like a glass roof, sunroof, and leather trim. Rest assured with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and servicing to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line vehicle. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information.